If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on a Motorola signature, the first thing that you can do is you can open Settings, then we can proceed to Connected Devices, then choose Connection Preferences, and then in here we should be able to find Quick Share. Now in here we can go ahead and go to visibility in order to make sure that visibility is enabled, and of course you might want to switch from contacts to everyone or everyone for 10 minutes if that's enough time for you. This ensures that other devices can actually see you, so it's gonna be much easier to send data. What you can also do is you can tap on receive instead in order to temporarily turn on visibility and set it to everyone, so you don't really have to go to those settings that we were just before, in case you wanted to just temporarily set it up to everyone to make sure that it's gonna work just right now. And over here, of course, we can see when someone tries to send us something, some files, and if you want to send something to someone, then of course you want to go to send. And then here we can of course select files that we want to transfer. You can choose any of these apps that you have available in here, and then you can decide what you want to transfer. So let's say I can select this image, and then of course I can choose the device that I want to send to. You can of course use the QR code as well, which might be a little bit helpful. And that is all. But also, instead of going to Quick Share panel, what you can do instead is you can go to the Files app, and then in here we can find at the bottom Quick Share option as well. There we go. Or you can just go ahead and choose something from here. So let's say instead of going to Quick Share first and then selecting files, I can just select files first, then I can share them using the share button, in this case in the upper right corner, and then we should be able to find Quick Share option as well. So this might be a little bit easier to actually select files, and the rest is pretty much the same. Leave a like and subscribe.